What's going on, guys? It's Cody from Sunshine Collections, and we have our last and final for the day, 2017 Panini Elite Draft Picks. 15 cards per pack, 5 packs per box. Expected yield of 5 autographs. Elite. So here we go. Pack number 1. Seth Russell, Eddie Jackson, Speedy Noah, Bucky Hodges, Kenny Galladay, Audrey Jackson, and our hit from Colorado University, Chidobe Owezi. College ties of Dante Freeman and Ricky Williams. Antonio Brown, Le'Veon, DeAndre, Aaron, LaDainian Tomlinson, Rob Gronkowski, and Greg Olsen. Pack number 2, 2017 Panini Elite Draft Picks. Looking for Leonard. Deshaun Watson. Leonard Fournette. Samaje Perine. Trubisky. Malik Hooker. Jordan Leggett. Christian McCaffrey. Elijah Hood. And our hit being from Tennessee, Josh Malone. Passing the torch, LaDainian Tomlinson. That'll be a PC. Jonathan Allen. 39 of 99, purple die cut. Jonathan Allen. Marcus, Derek, Joe, Devontae Freeman, Russell Wilson, J.J. Watt. Pack number 3. Here we go. Here we go. Marlon Mack, Cameron Sutton, Jamal Adams, Davis Webb, Zay Jones, Sidney Jones, 2 Jones back to back, huh? And our hit from Louisville, green die cut, 3 of 5, Cole Hikutini. Cole Hikutini. Look at that. 3 of 5, Cole Hikutini, green die cut. College ties, Samaje Perine and Billy Sims. Got an Earl Campbell, 32 of 49, Earl Campbell from the Longhorns. Tony, Josh, Bo, Keenan, Brett, and Marvin Jones. And we got 3 left. And then there were 3. Here we go. Oh, what am I talking about? There's only 1 left. Melage Dupree, Dan Feeney, Blake Jarwin, Charles Walker, Tease Tabor, Jeremy McNichols, and our hit from Oklahoma University, Samaje Perine, baby! 8 of 35, red die cut, Samaje Perine. Cool shit, baby. Antonio Brown, alma mater, Central Michigan, Antonio Brown. Odell Beckham Jr., 5 of 49, red die cut. OBJ, coming at you live. DeMarco Murray, Red Grange, Gale Sayers, Carson Wentz, Hunter, Troy. Last but not least, I'm excited, guys. This has been a success. I totally love these elites, except for their corners. Sometimes their corners can be pretty shabby. So, last but not least, guys. And here we go. Hassan Reddick, Brian Hill. Mitch Lindner. Jehu Chesson. Jehu. KD Cannon. Cannon. DeMaurier Stringfellow. Still don't know how to say his name. And our hit from Texas A&M. Deshaun Hall. 23 of 99. Deshaun Hall. Why couldn't have been the other DN from Texas A&M? That went number 1. Eddie George passing the torch to Zeke the Freak. Samaje Perine is our other numbered card in this one to finish us out. 49 of 49. Samaje Perine. Tim, Barry, Luke, Jameis, Adrian, and Lamar. And that's it, guys. And the last part of this is going to be the hits. So here you go. Samaje Perine, 49 of 49. OBJ, purple or red die cut, 5 of 49. OBJ. Earl Campbell, 32 of 49. You got Jonathan Allen, 39 of 99. Jonathan Allen. And then the signatures. Let's count how many we got here, huh? Deshaun Hall, 23 of 99. Deshaun Hall from Texas A&M. Samaje Perine, red die cut out of Oklahoma, 8 of 35. Like that one. Samaje Perine's going to be a force. Cole Hikutini, 3 of 5. Green die cut. Josh Malone from Tennessee. It's a pretty weak signature, Josh Malone. What grade are you in, man? Last but not least, Chidobe Owazi. So that's it, guys. Once again, 2017 Panini Elite. Love this product. The only complaint is sometimes the edges can be pretty bad. But other than that, guys, with that in mind, we'll send you on your way. We begin to wonder who is going to be the next Dak and Zeke in the NFL in 2017. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment below. Tell me what you guys want to see next time. Otherwise, we're just going to keep on doing what we doing. Thank you.